How do you do a leverage trade with Jupiter Perps? Let's go to jupe.ag, come up to the top in the middle, click on Perps. Perps stands for perpetuals, meaning a trade that keeps on going and going. Read through the terms and conditions, either click this if you don't want to show again, or just accept and continue. And this is the UI. We have a wallet connected, but if not, just go ahead and connect your wallet. Backpack, Phantom, or Solflare are the most commonly used wallets on Solana. So we'll connect this. I'm going to turn on Auto Connect and connect. Now right now, the price of Sol is going up. We may want to either short the price of Sol or put on a long. There are three different things we can do: Sol Perp, ETH Perp, or WBTC Perp. So wrapped BTC perpetual. We're going to go with a Sol Perp, and this charting information is pulled from TradingView. So if we come over to the left hand side, we can see some things such as this. We can go, all right, what has the price done in, say, the last 48 hours? It's gone up 9%. Then there's other things you can do that relate to technical analysis if you're familiar with technical analysis. You can also put in your fibs. These things are far more advanced, and you'd go and look at a trading course from another YouTuber to work out how to actually trade. Let's just say, as an example though, we think the price of Sol is going to go up. We can come over to this side to type in the amount of Sol we want to use as collateral in order to bet that the price will go up. So we're going to go with, say, 0.5 Sol. At present, our leverage amount is just 1.1x. Normally, and this is not financial advice, but 3 to 5x leverage is basically the safest form of leverage you can do, and no more than that. So this is 3x, this is 5x, but of course we can leverage up higher and higher. If we add more leverage, then we can see down here where our entry price is, the chance to get liquidated is far easier. We only have to drop less than $4 and all of a sudden we will lose our crypto. If we increase the leverage all the way up to 100x, if the price dips even a small amount, then we will lose all of our crypto. But of course, if the price goes up 1%, we'll make 1% times 100, 100% of our Sol. So for this one, we're just going to go with 3x, long Sol, then we'll click approve, and this is opening the position. This price feed, by the way, this is all powered by Pyth. So the Pyth Oracle service pulls the exact rates. So this price here would be an average of those Oracle rates. So we have our long on. It costs us a little bit in Sol to actually open it. We can see down here, there is an open fee, price impact fee, and we do have a borrow rate as well. The borrow rate is calculated like this. So we do pay a little bit just to open a position. At this point, you can see we're slightly down, mostly because of the fees. If the price of Sol collapses and goes down to $102, we will be liquidated. So we have a couple of options. We can either let it go up and then we can go and close the trade, or we can let it go down and be liquidated, or we can add take profits and stop losses. We'll cover those in the next tutorial. We'll see you in that one.